friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Penguin Luigi from Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. First, let's get started with the nose. So coming down in the middle here, we're just going to draw in a sideways oval. Let's draw in the eyes. So from the middle, stepping across, we're going to curve this around, tucking that over and back in on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now let's come up. We're going to arch this line around and in towards the nose. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now from the middle here, stepping down, we're going to draw in an oval. So we're just going to curve this around and in. And then on the top of that, for the highlight, we're just going to draw in a circle. Now let's color in the rest of this eye black. Let's move down for the mustache now. So leaving a gap, we're going to curve this up on each side. And then now from that point, we're just going to round that out, tucking that over and in below the nose. Now coming under for the mouth, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line here, right in the center. And then for the tongue, we'll just curve that in the opposite direction. Let's draw on the eyebrow, stepping over on the left, curving that up and across. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this around and down, replicating that over on the left. Now for the brim of the hat, we're going to connect this together with a curved line right in the center. And then we'll continue to arch this out on a diagonal on each side. Let's close that off on the top. So from that point, we're just going to curve this around and we're going to tuck this over and down on the side. Let's come under for the chin here. We're just going to draw in a curved line. Now closing this off on the side, we're going to arch this around and through to the edge there. We'll replicate that on the right hand side as well. Now for the hair, stepping in, we're going to curve this around, down and over. Replicating that on the opposite side. Let's close off the top of the head. So from the chin here, we're going to curve this around and then through to the middle. And then on the right hand side, again, lining that up at the same height, just curving this over and through, connecting that together. Let's draw on the overalls here now. So from the corner here, we're just going to curve this line in. We'll end that at the same height. We'll step across, lining that up at the same height again, curving that through to the head. And then let's just round this out on the bottom. So we're going to curve this over and through on the side. Now in the middle, let's draw in a circle. Let's connect this together in the middle here. So we're just going to curve this across. From corner to corner, we're going to arch this around and back down. Now on each side from the overall strap there, we're just going to curve this around and in. Ending that at the same height. Let's draw in the pocket in the center. So we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then underneath, we're just going to draw in another arch line. Right in the center, let's draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw a diagonal line that comes out on each side, ending that at the same height. We'll line that up at the same height on the side, connecting that to the torso. Let's close that off with a curved line. For the feet here now, from the inside, we're going to curve this out on a diagonal, curving that around and in. And then from the center here, we're just going to curve that around, over, and through on the top. Lastly, let's just draw on the arms. So on the top here from this corner, we're just going to curve this line over and across. Let's round out the side here. So on the top, we're going to curve this over, tucking that back into the side. Now from that top part on the side, we're just going to curve this back around and in on a diagonal to the torso. And then we're going to imagine that this line falls through underneath on each side, just curving that down on a diagonal to close off the overalls there. And that is it. That's how you draw Penguin Luigi from Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.